In this video I will show you how can you block someone on Messenger. You can see here there have a option block. If I click here block, I will can block him only on Messenger. You can see here block this person. So in this video I will show you the process how can you block someone on Messenger. It's a very simple process. You have to simply follow my steps. So for blocking someone on Messenger, you have to simply come here on Messenger. After come here on Messenger, you have to simply select whom you want to block. So let's take I want to block this person, and you have to simply click on the this person profile. Actually whom you want to block, you have to click that person profile, and then you have to simply click here on the name. You can see her upper here name. You have to simply click her name. After clicking her name, you will can see her this kind of interface. You have to simply scroll down to the bottom, and then you will can see her block. You have to simply click her block. After clicking her block, you have to simply click her block MD, the name of the person. You have to simply click her. After clicking her block, you will can see her blocking, and that's how we can block someone on Messenger. So this is today's video. If you have any question, you can ask me in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end.